In today's video, we're going to be talking about a MerlinStarter's IDO, which is launching a MerlinSwap's token ticker $MP. This is actually their first IDO, and the numbers are crazy right now. This shit is in high demand, and for good reason. I just don't see how this token does not boom from here. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the various pools, how many people have already participated, and how much total Bitcoin there is, so you could get a better understanding on how this process works.
Francis Dhun, Uncensored.
Welcome back to another video here at Francis Dhun Uncensored, where we do have tomorrow's newspapers. Today, you should know by now, this channel is also called the Smart Money Channel. And today we're going to be talking about MerlinStarter, guys. There's a lot of hype happening here for the MerlinSwap token, and for good reason. If you've been following the channel, you should already know anything coming out of the Merlin chain ecosystem just blows up. And I just don't see how MerlinSwap is not going to blow up with their very own token. Let's take a look at what's unfolding right now. So head on over to MerlinStarter's Twitter to get the latest of the latest and the greatest of the greatest. That is a Merlin_starter. Okay, that is their Telegram ID. Sorry, that is their Twitter ID, so to speak. Be cautious and careful. There are scammers in the comment section. Don't click any links. Okay, guys. So let's carry on to the actual website. And when you come here, you click on the Launchpad button. This is going to display the various pools that are active right now. Now, in order to see these numbers, make sure you have a wallet that's synced in. I think right now I do have a OKX wallet that's synced in. And one thing I want to bring to your attention, guys, long gone are the days of you speculating on which current pools or tokens that's going to be launched on MerlinSwap, if they're legit or not. I will just recommend, or tell you guys rather, this is what I'm doing at least, just pay a close attention to MerlinStarter, right? And the projects that is going to be launched there. I think they're going to come with some quality projects, and you're safe on the knowledge knowing that these projects aren't scams. They're not honeypots, right? I heard so many horror stories of people getting into, oh, did you see the new token that launched on MerlinSwap? And then next thing you know, you can't get your money out. You got honeypot, you got scammed, you got rugged. I think following MerlinStarter, you wouldn't have to go through such horrific stories. Okay, guys? So once you got your wallet synced in, whichever one you want to go with, and then some numbers will populate over here on the right. Down here, they tell us the launch amount and everything, the dates. This is ongoing right now, so this is March 26th to the 28th. You do have 2 days, right? And the first pool, the Bitcoin, that's Merlin Chain Bitcoin, has a total of 420 million tokens. You have another pool, which is M-BTC, has a total of 420 million tokens as well. And if you're going to be using Voya, that's going to have 279,300,000 tokens. And Who has the least amount of tokens at 140,700,000 MP tokens. Okay, guys? So that gives you a little bit of context. Now, on the right, it tells us, this is crazy, bro. So right here, it appears that they are 8,989% oversubscribed, okay? Or 89 times oversubscribed. Crazy. Everybody wants to get them some of these tokens, and for good reason. Now, the total committed in this particular pool is 573 Bitcoin. That's crazy. Okay, total participants 5,485. Now, if you're looking for a pool, you might want to wait a little bit longer, maybe like another few hours or maybe tomorrow, just to see where it's at in terms of total Bitcoin, right? And then from there, you could gauge to see which pool you want to participate in to give you more of these MP tokens, right? So let's take a look at another pool as we click the back button. Now, if we scroll down and we click this right button right here, this is going to open the pool for the M-Bitcoin. Let's click anywhere on the page, as long as our wallet is synced in. And these numbers here should populate any second now. And as we can see in this particular pool, well, this one's oversubscribed even more. Okay, this is 11,564% oversubscribed by 115x. Okay, that's how much this pool's oversubscribed by. Okay, so right here we have the total committed is 762 M-Bitcoin, a total participants of 650, guys. So in actuality, the first pool is more beneficial at this moment. Right now, the first pool, that being Merlin Chain Bitcoin, seems to be, a little bit more advantageous to the person trying to get more MP tokens. Okay, guys? So let's click back and let's see what these pools are saying. and we do have Voya that is live as well, and this is oversubscribed by 1,538%. Okay, now it is important to note that Voya has less tokens, MP tokens, all right, as we can see right here, token amount 279 million. Okay, so you might have to do your math to see which one is going to be worth it. They do have over 1,000 participants, 1,968 to be exact as well. All right, let's go on back and see what Hoo I go cuckoo for Hoo is doing at the moment. Right here, we have a progress of 796%. We have a total token amount of 140 million. Okay, so even less tokens here, and a total participants of 562 guys. Okay, that's how that works. So that's the status of this. Okay, head on over here, guys, and see which pool you want to get into. Now, I want to go over a process on how to turn your EVM, your Ethereum assets, into Merlin chain assets. I think a lot of people, they still don't really get this, okay? So let me go over this article over here that was published by the MerlinStarter team, guys. It's very easy, okay? I'll leave a link for this article as well in the form of a pinned message in the comment section and in the description box as well, okay? So cross EVM assets to Merlin mainnet using MetaMask, okay, guys? So you need a MetaMask wallet for this, all right? You click on over here. This is going to give you the information to plug into your MetaMask, all right? So you got the RPC URL, the chain ID, etc., etc. Okay, let's carry back on over here. Now, this is a website you're going to need to use. This is the mason.fi. Okay, and it does look like this. Once you have your MetaMask wallet open and you connect your wallet, let's say you wanted to, bridge over USDT to Merlin BTC. How much ever USDT you have, let's just say you had, I don't know, 1,000 in there, right? And I'll tell you how much BTC you'll get after connecting your wallet, obviously. You'll go through that process, you'll wait a few minutes, and then from there, this BTC will show up in your Merlin chain MetaMask, right, area. Okay, guys? And as we follow this documentation, it says if your assets are on EVM chain, it's recommended to use MetaMask wallet, as I already alluded to. I showed you guys how this may look. Connect your wallet. Once you have obtained the BTC on Merlin chain, you can visit the official MerlinStarter website by coming on over to MerlinStarter.com. And that's now where you'll have your MetaMask wallet open. And let's just say that how, you wanted to come here. This button coming soon will say connect. So let's just wait for a second. And there we go. Commit BTC rather. Okay, you'll click this. It'll then interact with your wallet. It'll tell you how much Bitcoin you have. And then you can go ahead and participate in that particular pool. Now, if you wanted to get Merlin Chain Bitcoin, but you wanted to contribute in Voya, all you got to do is head on over to MerlinSwap, okay, .org after getting your Merlin Chain Bitcoin through that Mason.fi process we just went over. And then you'll click on to say the Voya pool over here, okay? And you can start trading like this. So we go swap. You got your Bitcoin, let's just say, and then you want to go to Voya. Voya is right here, and this is where you'll trade for that. And the same is true for Hoo. You'll have your Merlin Chain Bitcoin. You go for Hoo. All right, guys? So I hope that makes sense. And also, if you want M-BTC, you could trade the Bitcoin for the M-BTC here as well. And that's how you could partake in this IDO, which is blowing up. Once again, guys, this is MP Token is going to be where it's at. Yeah, I'm going to participate here, and I'm also going to be buying some on the market as well. So that's all I have for y'all. I hope this video shed more light on this process and how everything works. And there ain't really much left to say other than until the next video, you're on your own. Later.
Francis Dhun, uncensored.